Hey there, thanks for clicking on my video. In this video, I'm going to be going over a step-by-step tutorial on how to get started with affiliate marketing and explaining what it is exactly. If you're new to the channel, I'm Tyler Wise, and I've been doing affiliate marketing since November of 2020. I left my 9-to-5 job because I became successful at affiliate marketing, and now I average about $20,000 to $30,000 a month by just promoting other people's products. Now, if this sounds like something you would like to get into, stay tuned, keep watching the video, and we're gonna hop onto my computer and get started. So, let's do it. So before we start anything, I kind of want to explain what affiliate marketing actually is. And essentially, all you're doing is applying to do the advertising for a company, okay? They will give you an affiliate link. And so your main purpose with that is to send people to that link that is directly linked to you, and if they buy that product, you will end up getting paid a commission. Typically, the commission rates will range from about 10% to all the way up to 75% I've seen, which is crazy. So basically in Google, I just looked up what is affiliate marketing so you guys can really see that this is an actual thing. Essentially, it says affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. That's it. That simple of a definition. Because in all actuality, it is a really simple business model. All you have to do is primarily send traffic. That is your primary job. That is your biggest thing that you have to focus on. If you can send traffic, then you will make the money. Well, most of the time. So let's go over how to get started with affiliate marketing. And essentially, your first step is going to be applying for companies' affiliate programs. So you're probably wondering, how do I do that? Okay, so the best place to start is with an affiliate marketing marketplace. So an affiliate marketing marketplace is just essentially where you can find companies or products to promote. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go over two of them that are the most popular, one of them being Amazon, and the second one being Clickbank. Clickbank is a great one to start for a lot of beginners, and it's where most people started. That's where I started too. As you can see, when you even just look up affiliate marketing marketplace, there's a lot. Okay, you can keep scrolling and you can keep finding. You can check out different blog posts, and then you can sign up for those affiliate marketing marketplaces to find different products to promote on those ones that may not be on another one. It's best to branch out as much as you possibly can. So let's say we're going to go to Amazon. We're going to look up the Amazon Associates program. So Amazon will pay you a small percentage of commission if you promote any product off of their website. Unfortunately, it's going to be such a small percentage that you'd have to sell hundreds, if not thousands, to really make a huge dent and even try to make even $100,000 a year. Okay, it's just not worth it. But it's a good place to start. Let's say you have a YouTube channel and people want to know what your equipment you're using. This would be a great affiliate program to sign up for, because then you will get a percentage commission if they choose to buy any of the products that you're using for equipment. So that's pretty cool. I do that too. So anyways, let's say you're gonna sign up for the Amazon Associates program, okay? So I went ahead and I already signed up, okay? You're gonna have to go and fill out some personal information, and I really don't want to disclose that on my, on my YouTube channel. So you will fill it out, and then let's say you want to find a product. I'm gonna promote The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Really great book. Talks about how to overcome people's manipulation tactics and how you can, well, I guess you can use manipulation tactics on other people to better yourself. All right, so it's a really great book. I recommend it. But anyways, up here you'll see that there's something that looks a little bit off. Okay, and this is your Amazon Associates site strip. Okay, you can go. All you have to do is find a product that you want to promote, and then you can just get the affiliate link for that product. Okay, right here is the affiliate link for the 48 Laws of Power. So if someone buys the 48 Laws of Power and they click on this link, I will end up getting a commission. It won't be very much because it doesn't sell for very much, $11, but I will still get some kickback. So that's pretty cool. So this is a great way to, you know, get started with affiliate marketing. Okay, it's starting to do with Amazon Associates. Okay, all right. So, you know, you're probably like, how do I promote that? Okay, well, you can promote that affiliate link on, you know, you can send it to your friends and text messages. You can send it to your buddies through emails. You can send it to anyone, basically. But let's say you know, I'm sure you guys all have Facebook. Most people have Facebook, whether they use it or not. And you can always just promote it on Facebook. That's a huge traffic source. You can promote it using blogs. You can use it promoting your YouTube channel. If you haven't started a YouTube channel, you can just start a YouTube channel and start promoting different affiliates. You can start promoting it on TikTok. TikTok is a huge platform to promote affiliate products. It's an amazing place to get started. And if you guys want to learn more about how to promote stuff on TikTok using affiliate links, leave a comment below and maybe I'll make a video about it. But anyways, so I can say, hey, check out this awesome book I'm reading. And then we're gonna do that. Whenever you're doing affiliate marketing, you will have higher sales if people think you're just personally recommending something to them. I mean, how often do you buy things through ads opposed to something when one of your friends recommends something? You're probably like, well, I mean, Joe over here recommends buying this book over here, so, you know, I'll definitely check that out because I value their opinion and, you know, and they respect what they believe in. Okay, or you might not respect what they believe in. That doesn't really matter. Anyways, I digress. Okay, so basically you will get more sales if you're personally recommending something. That's how I get all my sales typically. I say, hey, this is what I've used. I've had really good results with it, and you should definitely check it out. And that's how I get a lot of my sales. You can definitely promote using ads, but in the beginning, I do not recommend using ads at all because they're really unnecessary with how many free traffic sources there are. Free traffic sources are like blogs, YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, and that's just to name a few. You can also use Pinterest as well. So these are all good places to start. I would start posting stuff like this, but you're gonna make a lot of your sales from promoting to strangers, okay? And I can go into more depth, you know, in a future video about how to promote to strangers rather than promoting to your personal, you know, friend groups and whatnot. If you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing, I definitely recommend checking out the link in my description, tylerzwise.com. That's how I've learned affiliate marketing, and it, you know, this is more step-by-step tutorial on how to do this exactly. Yeah, I want to go over kind of Clickbank before we end this video. Clickbank is an amazing place to get started for affiliate marketers. That's where I got started. Basically, you're going to sign up and then go to the marketplace, and then you'll see all these different categories. All these different categories are just basically, they're different niches you can get into. So let's say you love home and garden, okay? Here's all these affiliate products you can promote, and it tells you the average conversion rate and how much money you will typically earn and how often people will return the product if they're happy or they dislike it. So, you know, you can go through any of this. You can, you know, rank it by the average conversion. You know, on this one specifically, you can earn about 686.98 per sale, and that's the average. So that's pretty high, really. I recommend once you've dipped your feet into the water, definitely get into higher ticket commissions, just like this one. I typically promote products that earn me up to $1,000 or higher, and that way I don't have to sell that many products. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different than what I normally post. If you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing or high-ticket affiliate marketing, just like I do, check out the link in my description, like I said earlier. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, you know, all the YouTube stuff that people say. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.